everybody run.
Rod cannon. It's just a paper towel.
The slowest person busted.
That's it? Come on, let that bitch up. That's it.
Watch out, Steve.
Oh my god.
You gotta do a fast one.
Garlic bang. Well, at least we know it likes to come out the back hole.
Maybe we need a lighter spray.
No longer third place.
Pro Staff Barbie doesn't like garlic.
Is that what that is?
You got more bug spray, man.
Oh my god!
I got more bugs.
Fucking terrible. Do it again. Just like,
Smell the asshole.
Do it again. It's terrible.
Well, you know, asshole's terrible.
just give it a
No thanks.
Come on, look at that.
Look, I'm not afraid of guns. Behind you.
Like garlic over here.
Good shot, paper!
There's some more bug spray.
What someone really needs to invent is a wet t-shirt lunch.
Nice.
There it is. Boom.